What's up guys, Jeff Weibel here, and in this video I am super excited. I have the AMEX Business Platinum card and it's right here. And it just came in the mail and I'm super excited to tell you guys all about the card. I do have it blocked out here so you can't really see this little pin. Pins are on the front on the AMEX card. It's the Platinum Business card and I want to tell you guys all about its unique features. One of the most important parts of the card is to actually hit that like button on YouTube. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm, and guys, if you're new here, we're all about saving money, earning money, and a lot of real estate tips, and this card is going to get you there as well. So I want you guys to stick around and learn all about the card. I'm going to go over all the features and let's get into the video. One of the interesting parts about this card is actually how heavy it actually is. It's about like 5 grams. So if you are out for a restaurant dinner right now and you're dropping it down, it makes a statement, a lot more than any of the other Visa cards that I've ever had before. But obviously, this being an investor channel, that's not the only part, although making a statement can make you a lot of money. But let's get into the card and figure out why we'd actually want to have this. So first thing you guys are going to need to know, it costs about $500 Canadian to get the card. However, there are some amazing bonuses that come with the card, and you may want to actually purchase this card and to get these bonuses. So for example, if you are doing renovations right now, you might want to get this card because in a 90-day window, if you spend $7,000 on the card, you will get 75,000 points, which will be equivalent to traveling around Canada or somewhere in the States, which will provide you with a free airfare around the world. So it's almost like a wash right there if you purchase the card. Now, you only really want to sign up for the card when you have that $7,000 purchase coming in your life. So this is a real estate channel. So if you're conducting renovations anyways, you're going to want to get the card, rack up the points, and you're going to be able to fly somewhere around North America with the free travel miles. So one of the cool things too is you get 55 interest-free days in order to pay back the charge card. Therefore, you have a almost unlimited budget on the card, but you got to pay it off every month. You can't continue to run a balance. Your purchasing power is actually dynamic on the card. So the more you pay it off and back and forth, it'll actually allow you to rack up even higher charges. Other credit cards, you could keep the balance going and they give you a limit. On the Amex card, they will give you an almost unlimited budget. I don't know, maybe you can break the bank, but they will give you a big budget, but it's your job to be able to pay it off within that month, or the collectors come right at you. Other bonuses you make, you will get 1.25 membership reward points as well. So for every dollar you spend, you're gonna get times 1.25, which will also contribute to all your travel points as well. All the points will accumulate in your account and there's no limit to the amount of points you can make. So for business or pleasure, you can use the points on whatever you want. It gives you a lot of flexibility. So definitely look into getting the Platinum card. There's an online tool that will help track your expense payments and you're able to sort by category. For example, gas or dining or travel. It's a lot easier to send that list over to your accountant as well, especially for any tax planning that you're going to be doing. You also have the ability to add supplementary cards to your card. So if you have a spouse, people in your business as well, you can give them the card as well and they can use it and rack up points for you. So there's a lot of special programs as well attached to the card. You will get global dining options for the card and you will get special reservations to some of the hottest restaurants around the world. There's also American Express invites and you're going to be getting an email every 30 seconds from Amex telling you about another concert or other event. I actually had to turn that off because there's just so many emails coming in, but really they're trying to give you exclusive access to buy tickets to some of the most hottest events around the world. And a great addition to the card as well is the concierge service. If you need to book a flight or anything, let's say you need to be in Paris tomorrow, but you're super busy today, you can call the concierge service and say, give me your top 3 flights to Paris. I need to be in Paris tonight or leave tomorrow morning, whatever. They'll give you a bunch of options and they can book the flights for you. You can literally say, I need a present of a teddy bear to be arriving at a birthday party at a restaurant and you're too busy. That teddy bear can actually get there. The concierge service is there for you. You can outsource a lot of your tasks through the concierge service. I've used concierge service with credit cards in the past, and when I'm stuck at a location and I want to be spending my time with my friends and family, but there's some administrative tasks that I have to do, this is where you use the concierge service to book flights, book hotels, whatever they have to do, and you can continue on with your day and enjoy it and not have to be on the phone all day with airlines. So if you're booking a trip using this card, you will automatically get travel insurance. It's good to up to 15 days. So that's really important. In the past, you probably had to call different insurance companies to get your travel insurance. If you have this credit card, it will actually protect you for 15 days. So if you're going to the States, you won't have to worry about paying the big hospital bill. Make sure if you're going over 15 days, you're going to be be topping up your coverage, but that's what they give you, the 15 days right there. This would also cover if you lost your baggage. You can phone AMEX and they'll take care of it for you and they'll put in the claim. This is all part of the card. Another good reason to get the card. So I do a lot of traveling, and one of the cool things about this card is there's always lounges at airports, and this card actually can get you into the lounges. You don't even have to pay for it. So while you're waiting around at the airport, instead of eating really expensive sandwiches and having a couple too many beers at the airport bar, you can get into the AMEX lounge. And there's like 1,200 AMEX lounges around the world that you can always look for while you're in the airport. And what you guys are going to want to use is the Priority Pass card that comes right here. And there's also an app. So what they'll send you is a Priority Pass card, and you're going to want to bring your Priority Pass card to the airport. So there's a Priority Pass app available on the iOS and Android. You can create an online access and you can be able to search for all the lounges and the offers and the discounts. It gives you access to the digital membership card. You can view the airport maps. So I encourage you guys to download that app. It's going to really help you guys out as well, and it's going to get you into all these lounges. Now, if you're a Canadian and you're traveling with the Priority Pass card at Pearson Airport, you'll be able to skip the line in order to get closer to security to get through, so you can be enjoying these lounges in the airport. So get the card. It'll save you time and money as well. Another bonus of the card, there are a lot of hotels that offer late checkout when you own the card as well. They will offer complimentary breakfast for you, so make sure you guys are really reading up on everything it can do for you as well, because you're going to want to really utilize this card, because you spent $500 already on it. So if you guys are interested in getting this card as well, I have a referral link down below where I will get some points too if you sign up, but all you got to do is sign up as well. And if you spend that $7,000 in the first month, you will get the 75,000 points as well to go towards your travel. I know you guys want to travel, maybe travel season's coming up, so really think about this, getting this card. How I really got my 7,000 was I booked a trip on it, and also I bought cabinetry for my office as well, which you'll see on future videos. So I'm practicing what I preach. I didn't just buy it for superfluous reasons. Expenses coming up, so that's why I bought the card. I'm really interested to use it a lot more and see what it gets me around the world. And it's kind of similar to a nice watch or a nice card. People might take to notice that you own the AMEX card and ask you some questions, and they can really help you out in the business world as well, because it's unique. Nobody else is doing it. So if you're new to this channel, you're watching this video for the first time, I would consider getting the card as well. It's pretty easy to sign up. All you got to really do is fill out the online form and tell them that you're a business and tell them what you make annually, and they just mail you the card. It's that easy. And then you go through a bit of one-on-one with them, and then you just sign up for the card, and it's active. And one of the cool parts is you will get an online portal as well, and you can ask them any questions that you have, and they're very quick to get back to you at their virtual assistants, which is super cool because you always want your information fast. So the main reason I actually got the card, guys, was to, let's be honest, I wanted to look cool. This is like I said, it's like a new car, new watch, something like that. I wanted it to be cool. You drop it, makes a lot of noise. It's pretty cool. It leaves a statement. We'll see how it goes. I'll update you guys if it actually increases my business, or maybe people just think it's stupid. But I thought it's good. It comes with a crazy amount of bonuses, which I'm going to use to help book for flights around the world, and we'll see how it goes. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a big favor, hit the subscribe button. We got a lot more investor tips coming up. Really appreciate you guys watching, and get over and follow me on Instagram. I post there every single day. It's at Jeff Weibel. Get over there, send me a DM. I will get back to you. Really appreciate you guys watching this video, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
You just want